The full glass roof in a Model Y, it gives some amazing views. But I've always wondered, can truck drivers see through it when they're driving by? If you're a truck driver, please let us know in the comments. Now, privacy is just one of two reasons that I've started using these Tesla sunroof covers. Driving along the road, I'm really not worried about people being able to see inside. However, when I'm camping in my Model Y, that's where these can come in a little more use. They can help block light in the morning and just provide more privacy overall. The other reason I'm using these Tesla roof shades is to really help with the heat. With all the glass and the full top roof, the Model Y, it's like a little greenhouse. Although it does have really great UV and other light protections built in. You can find the ratings on the glass, or at least some messaging. And having already known that, I wasn't worried about the safety around the sun. Although any help to really keep it cooler on hot days, that's a big win in my book. Passing through the South last summer, it was rough. Here's a screenshot from when I passed by Las Vegas. The Tesla Model Y roof, it's one continuous piece of glass, unlike the Model 3. However, most Model Y covers, or roof covers, they come with two pieces. And as you can see, this side is more of reflective, that's going to be facing up, and then the other side is darker. Now, they're not a heavy material, they're really quite light, so they're not going to help with any insulation. So I'm probably going to just leave them up during the summer, and then I'm going to take them down for the winter. But a benefit to this is that they're really easy to put in as well as take out. So folding this out here, you can see it's quite easy to do. You can see here's the reflective side, and then on the back, which is going to be facing down, is just dark. It can be a little tricky to put these back together. Maybe the other way here. Just like that. So it takes a little while to get the hang of, some pressure on it, but that does make it easier to store. These are really easy to install as well, so let's go ahead and do that now. They came with these clips, and you just pop them into the edges. So let's put in a few and then push it into the top part of the roof. And then I'm gonna work my way around and put in the remaining clips to make sure it stays up top. And there's no sagging. So let's go ahead and do this to the second one as well. And there you have it. Really easy to install, and it seems to be doing the job well. Now, there are a lot of options out there for sunshades, and yes, luck, they sent these to me for free. I'm not paid for sharing any of this info. I'm not required to say anything, but I'm still gonna include a link to the product in the description. They seem to be good quality and they work well. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you want to see how I've lived out of my Model Y, here's a video of me stealth camping. I'm 6 foot 3 inches tall. Go ahead and check out that video. And I'll also drop a link to it down in the description as well. So I hope to see you again soon.